what they call the people's petition against IEBC officials who allegedly committed criminal acts leading to a botched presidential election in August the 8th. The leaders are later expected to march to the office of the Director of Public Prosecution to present a case for investigations on the said officials, and currently addressing the media is the Dagoretti North Member of Parliament, Simba Arati. Let's cross over there live and listen in.
And then maybe Pamela.
Thank you very much. My name is Godfrey Osotsi. I'm the nominated Member of Parliament and also the Secretary General of ANC. Now, the DPP is on record to have told Kenyans that he's waiting for the Supreme Court ruling, detailed ruling, so that he can act. We are asking him to act. And if he does not act within 72 hours, NASA, as it has been read out, we are going to institute private prosecution of all those individuals we have mentioned in our letter. And this is important because the Supreme Court clearly indicated that there were irregularities and illegalities in the transmission of the results. That is very clear. So it has not absolved anyone from blame. We are going to provide evidence from our ICT people and from our lawyers to support our case, because these elections cannot be free if those individuals are still going to preside over fresh election. Thank you very much.
Bana Mawade? Or Pamela? Okay. And then Mawade. Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, gentlemen and ladies of the press. I think we are here to notify the DPP, as you've been told. There's no need to repeat. But the spirit behind what we are doing, I know and we know there are many Kenyans out there who are crying for justice. They are crying for righteousness. They are crying for our institutions and the organs of administration of the affairs of our country to be done in a just, fair, righteous manner. And so we are here to just reiterate that much as the judgment was found to be having a lot of irregularities and illegalities, we must say that these things that didn't happen in a vacuum. Somebody in that team must take the responsibility. So this is what we are here to do, and we are calling upon the relevant authorities to do the right thing for the sake of the orphan, the women, the poor, and the disadvantaged of this country. We are looking forward to righteousness restored in Kenya. Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll take questions. Imarat, you can join here to have questions. Yeah.
Question here. What do you make of yesterday's announcement of the change of the election date?
We want to, we may not even accept the 26th of October, if indeed the changes that we have put across to IEBC, they have not been met. What we are saying, we'll go into an election when the playing field is smooth to every participant that will be in the game.
Any other question?
Just to follow up.
Yes.
So we just came from another briefing that said if you do not participate in the election, then it means you're going to continue being president and you will not be president.
Okay.
Well, there's a number of members of parliament drawn from the National Super Alliance who say they are filing the people's petition against IEBC officials whom they say they believe were involved in the botched